Asikhulume podcast namhla it's a Sunday lehle lepholile namhla livalile nemuntu omdzala ngimtswala sibitala mtswala angicezi kuba naye lana maningi episodes ekufuna siwa drop mina naye nemuntu omdzala ngoba wasekhaya umuntu omdzala ngubaba wami losele lalabanye bakhona but longiduzana naye nguye longinika i-background ye-family background ye-history yempilo yako konke ngokuhlukahlukana kwayo esayidini lakhe naye because umuntu eyakukhethela ukuthi ufuna kuvani komuntu angani angokuthathe konke noma bangakutshela something but kuya ngawo ukuthi yakuthatha ngoba ukuthatha so namhla iSunday kusasa iJune 16 iMonday namhla kusasa iholiday iJune 16 I don't know namhla ngithi kutokhuluma naye ukuthi le June 16 si-celebrate ngendlela lefanele na nawo onke lama holidays now because isinema holiday lamaningi la eSouth Africa and ma-holiday nema-holiday siwa-celebrate indlela tawo lwahlukile so ngifuna ku-understand ezina namhla futhi kuyi-Father's Day ukuthi yini i-Father's Day kubantu abaningi beyikhona before ngalethi khathi before nyalo kuba nebantu abathi khona ukuthi leli langa leli langa lani njengamalanga abo-Valentine malanga abo-Good Friday nako konke so lamalanga lawo lenkumbulo yayo siyayisebenzisa ngendlela yakhona na kumbe into lokuthi siyenda once off sekuphelele lapho so umtswala naye I'm sure kakhulu sitogcila kakhulu sitothasha lama holiday but namhla soba concern nga two ma topic about June 16 ne-Father's Day yeah mtswala kunjani wabhumbela nikhulele ngemakhada ngesikhathi senu semabhunu banitrabhe kakhulu nelo bathi ngoje bathi ama-arthritis niva ama-arthritis sekukhula kwenu
no akusimloko mzala isikukhula
yeah
kunale into lofuna ukuyati nami ngiyibona mawukhula
yeah
the time ukhula umuntu ne
yeah
umuntu kunento lebaluleke kakhulu emtimbeni womuntu ingadi
yeah
ingadi umuntu ingaba healthy umtimba womuntu usala uhealthy
so ingadi yomuntu iba healthy njani
kuya ngokuthi udlani phela impilo yomuntu icontrola ukuthi ufakane emlonyeni ukudla lokudlako manje lo wanatha ijuice le liquid uyinatha unatha ini iyendana emtimbeni oyibenefit yayo mafutha lo wagcobisako awasikhumba sakho asitreat-a njani ama roll on ma perfume onke kune-effect esikhumbeni somuntu kufuna wathi ukuthi lokhu kufaka kuyahambisana nesikhumba sami
yeah but this one is a topic for another day yabo ma topic mina nawo maningi lekusafuna siwakhuluma ngoba why ngisho njalo mtswana sayinde episode lenge yaba brilliant kakhulu but ngenxa yokuthi asinama equipment la enough ngathi siyathi siyi-record ngale phone lesiyi-recorda ngayo nale mic satholakala ukuthi asikafakanga lapha kule kufuna sifake khona ayi-record leso sikhathi but we talk hour plus but siyafunza everyday ngava buhlungu ukuthi maybe kuyilesson bekufuna ngiyive mina labanye abantu bangayiva kwaleso sikhathi leso but sizozama ukuthi si-squeeze one day yeah sayo layo but angeke isafana straight exactly the way sayenda ngakhona you understand namhla mtswala kakhulu namhla before singena ku June 16 ngicela sikhulume nge-Father's Day ukuthi nge-Father's Day ngalethi castell beyikhona i-Father's Day kumbe i-Father's Day ngileya nyalo le-create ma-colonizers ukuthi kune-Father's Day I'm sorry futhi by the way ma-Father's Day I think ngathi ngeminyaka kabi ngelanga leli-1 if I'm not mistaken
ango-June 10 bathi June 10
but bawashiftela konke bawafake kuSunday
bawashifta good Friday lela ngabathi Jesu wakhuphuka ngalo ikhuphuka ngedate eyi-1 ikhuphuka ama-date amaningi hambisana nekhalenda ne
no le topic leyo yaba maybe a 30 minutes topic le yabakhona but namhla singathi siyayibala into siphazamise asikhulume nge-Father's Day before singena ku June 16 mntwana
entwana i-Father's Day Mother's Day Valentine's Day Good Friday ma-holiday lachamuka e-Europe afika nesikepe la ayisima-holiday 8
akusima-holiday 8
ayisiye 8 ma-holiday
akusimalanga 8
ayisimalanga ebantu abamnyama amalanga esikepe ma-holiday lokuthiwa joyine ngokudevelopa 20-30 years ago into ye-Valentine Day
bengana sense
but ngoba i-commercial kunama-holiday la i-commercial bawu-commercialize lama-holiday njenge-Christmas it's a Christmas i-commercialize holiday lapho abantu bathenga ngathi bahlanya khona lamashophu lama-designer bayi-create le nto ibe la inhloko yomuntu ukuthi ngesikhathi so lamashop lento ama-present aprinta amakhadi lamahle abo-valentine uyabona lento and lento uyihlanganisa nelithando ukuthi manginike i-girlfriend yami boyfriend. It's business. It's not really holiday. It's business. Part of ukwenda imali. Because they have done ngalelo langa leyo benza a fucking lot of money. You understand? It's part. I-Father's Day same apply for Father's Day. Father's Day umuntu lomnyama wenza Father's Day. Yonke holiday uma bathu ne-holiday. Yona lemcondo we-holiday. E-Africa bekungana holiday lefana nokuthi kunelanga no. Ma-holiday onke bathi namhla langa lelibalulekile esintwini line-history nale Father's Day ine-history. Yes, ngibani bekwende njani uma umuntu lomnyama ucelebrate lena kufuna u-understand ukuthi ngale Father's Day kwendeke into leso ba-decide that in Father's Day but bali celebrate i-Father's Day. Nami nekuseni namhla i-friend yami yangithumela happy Father's Day nemshana wami 3 ngiyafisa kubabuta athi isuke lapho le Father's Day
yini Father's Day
that's it bekwenta njani beka yini lo baba yini lento uyaunderstand siyadle celebrate you understand i-holiday yalaba same as i-Mother's Day i-decide yini United Nations United Nations it-decide because kune-event lethile leba influencing that event is foreigner isi African event so all the time thina celebrate holiday yalabanye abantu holiday Father's Day is holiday yethu ayisi holiday yethu ngoba kude bayi-2-3 bantu labamnyama laba aware ukuthi let day kwendekani United Nations thathe lethi sinti Father's Day kusukela abantu bathi hayi Father's Day because lento is commercialized it's popular ikumarket ikupublicity and sinesinalento ukuthi sinakuhamba neliningi siyafuna kuhamba neliningi aliningi lento so awusasicabanga uyi-question ukuthi no why ngicelebrate into for ngicelebrate for what you understand so ma-Father's Day it's a choice uma ufuna ukucelebrate you can do it ungakwenza but akinto lengakabaluleki babo wakho ngibaba wakho forever mama wakho forever ngeke makwakho nethi makwamothi uma uthi Mother's Day ngizocelebrate 25 February uma uthi Father's Day ngicelebrate abangi 10 June nge-6 June uyabona ngoba baba wamhla ka-10 June uyavisisa wamhla ka-10 June uma bathi Father's Day nami ngido-accepta because babe but le holiday yami awethu ayikhulumi ngababa wami ayikhulumi ngababe lo muntu omnyama ikhuluma ngababe somewhere else lesingana-clear history yale origin yale date leyo same as i-Valentine uma wena ucelebrate i-Valentine sinesibani labamnyama sicelebrate i-Valentine isho ukuthi Saint Valentine waba yisymbol yelithando sho sibeka perfect kwelithando kude emlo omnyama oluperfect
baningi
ngikunike example Walter Sisulu wambe ejele 64 nebangani bakhe nama-comrade wakhe wagwetshwa wayijele naboMandela Walter Sisulu ubuye wathola umfati wakhe Albertina Mlinzile babuye bathandzana so Winnie Mandela babuye bacabana why bangaselebrate Walter Sisulu ngelithando nawini namfati wakhe lithando phela lokhu kumele umuntu 30 years asejele wabuye ejele uphinde 2019 Walter Sisulu na Albertina bayisymbol yelithando you understand ngeke kumele indoda zakho lesikhathi ubuye uhlale nayo bayishiwa futhi lento lo wese ngaselebrate yena
angeke
umuntu omnyama celebrate why kungathi suse lo Valentine kubene Walter and Albertina Day something like that you understand ngichaza athi net from si-celebrate athi net ngasi-relevant you understand tiningi
so ngiyayiva le holiday ye-Father's Day ukuthi i-Father's Day ngibaba wakho for life it's baba wakho for life sesifikile itolo bekunaye athi itolo ibuyi-birthday yamakwakhe akasekho makwakhe every year makwakhe maka-birthday bena njani bathenga likhekhe
ucelebrate umzali wakho
bathenga likhekhe bena njani bathenge inyama bashise lapha endlini you understand so itolo akakhonanga ukwenda lokho but umntwana wakhe day before uthengile ikhekhe wetanalo yabo bawulijuba itolo masibuya le emsebenzini wakuphi wakanyoni but the way bahlale bayenda ngakhona bakakhona kwenda ngakhona because
But
kuvele
bayenza
lokhu
ikho-
but likhekhe balithengile, you understand, and bena the very same day makwabo walona ngabe bathenga likhekhe bayenda inyama kube mnanzi, you understand,
Celebrate mzali
mzwala wakhe those kuye lelo langa lelo iMother's Day
Mother's
yakhe,
Day yakho.
you understand.
Why ucelebrate Father's Day? Liyafika ilanga lababa wakho uyaphila la
Awumcelebrate,
Ucelebrate into zase-Europe. Baba wakho le ndlini awumthengeli lutho, awumthathi umkhiphi e-restaurant namama wakho. No, celebrate nomzali wakho. Why ucelebrate into
Umuntu-
edumile?
yeah.
Celebrate amakwakho.
Yeah.
Uvuka ekuseni ushayele libala,
Bala,
uwashele ima ukuthi bahlo ayine.
Breakfast in bed,
We understand.
yeah.
Ucelebrate mama wakho nababa wakho. Why you celebrate